Okay. The little duckling sees a peacock. What a beautiful tail! I want a beautiful tail too. Suddenly, the little duckling has a big, beautiful peacock's tail. The little duckling is very pleased. See here. Can you see this picture? What is this? This is a little duckling. Ducks are very small. Ducks have shorter neck and wings and stout body. All baby ducks are called as duckling. Okay. All baby ducks are called as duckling. Okay. See, in the first stanza, see, once upon a time, what happens to this little duckling? The little duckling was swimming in the pond. One day, the little duckling sees a peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird. It has beautiful tail. It attracts the people. Yes or no? Yes. See, after seeing peacock, duckling said, "What a beautiful tail! I want a beautiful tail too." So suddenly, the little duckling has a big, beautiful peacock's tail. Imagine, as soon as you desire for anything, if you desire to have a plate of pani puri or a plate of gobi manchuri, immediately it appears. How do you feel? Wow! You will jump and run towards the plate to eat. Yes or no? Yes. It's like that. The little duckling, as soon as it imagine the tail appears. Okay. The little duckling got a peacock's tail now. So the little duckling is very pleased. Means very happy. Pleased means happy. Next stanza. The little duckling sees a flamingo. What beautiful legs! I want beautiful legs too. Suddenly, the little duckling has long, thin, pink legs. The little duckling is very pleased. See, in the second stanza. Suddenly, the little duckling sees a flamingo. Flamingo is a bird and wants that beautiful legs. Little duckling wants that flamingo's beautiful legs. After seeing flamingo, the little duckling said, "Wow, what a beautiful legs! I want beautiful legs too." Suddenly, the little duckling has a long, thin, pink legs. So, the duckling is very pleased, very happy. See, you imagine now, the little duckling has a beautiful tail like a peacock, but legs like a flamingo. How it looks? Now just you imagine. Okay, next. Next is stanza. The little duckling sees an eagle. What a beautiful wings! I want beautiful wings too. Suddenly, the little duckling has big brown wings. The little duckling is very pleased. See, in this stanza, here suddenly the little duckling has a big brown wings like an eagle. Eagle flies very high in the sky. So, the little duckling wants wings like an eagle. Now, duckling has a big brown wings. See, imagine now again the little duckling having a peacock's tail, flamingo's legs, eagle's wings. Then, what happened next? The little duckling sees a cock. What a beautiful hat! I want a beautiful hat too. Suddenly, the little duckling has a big red handsome hat. The little duckling is very pleased. See, in this stanza, now the little duckling wants that beautiful hat, handsome hat, which has cock in his head. Have you seen that? Have you seen that hat? Yes, it is beautiful, no? Yes, suddenly the little duckling got that hat. Now duckling has a big red handsome hat. So little duckling feel happy now. Next what happens? See, all the little duckling's friends swim in the river. The little duckling says, "Stop, wait for me." And he jumps into the water. But his peacock's tail is very heavy. His big brown wings are very heavy. His long thin pink legs cannot swim. His handsome red hat is very heavy and he can't breathe. Glug, glug, glug. I want a little duckling's tail and a little duckling's legs and wings. And I don't want a heart. Suddenly the little duckling can swim and he can swim very well. Soon he is with his friends. See, in this stanza, what happens here? All little duckling friends are swimming in the river. So the little duckling wants to swim now. So he jumped in the water. What happens? With peacock tail, flamingo's legs, eagle's wings and cock's hat, can it swim? No, he cannot swim because it is already heavy. First of all, duckling is very small and having all these things, it's become very heavy. He can't breathe and duckling is drowning in the water. Suddenly the duckling is realized and said, I don't want this peacock's tail and flamingo's legs and eagle's wings and cock's hat. I want a little duckling's tail, my tail, and I want a little duckling's tail and a little duckling's wings, legs. Suddenly, all the imagination was went off. It came to real, and then duckling can swim and he can swim very well. Soon he is with his friends. Peacock has a long tail. See here children, peacock has a long tail. That is the beauty for that bird. God is given a beautiful tail for that bird. And flamingo has beautiful legs. That is a gift for flamingo. And for eagle, God is given a gift like a big brown wings to fly high. But for this little duckling, it is always swim in the water. That is the gift for duckling. But all birds cannot swim like a duckling, no? Yes or no? Yes. See, each and every one are unique. In front of God, each and every one are equal and special. Dear children, you are special in front of God's eyes. Okay? Okay. So don't change your desires for seeing others' things. You should be happy with what you are having. Whatever you have, you satisfied with that. Whatever you have, that is the best for you. When you feel that you are the best, you always the best for all. Okay.